Local news for Thursday the 14th of December. Several fire appliances, including staff and the tanker from Carterton, were called to the Higgins yard south of Masterton yesterday morning. A large shed went up in flames with emergency services called just before 8:30am. The warehouse has begun installing electronic vehicle charging stations at many stores across the country, with Masterton on the rollout list. The planned rollout takes place over the next 7 months. Christmas has come early for many Kiwi homeowners after the national average asking price has gone up 2.5%, $639,150 across New Zealand, according to the latest Trade Property Index. That said, while the prices climbed 2.5%, in South Wairarapa alone the average asking price has climbed a whopping 15% since November 2016. And in sport, it's congratulations to Kate and Gemma Sims and Georgia Atkinson, who've been selected in the Central District's Under-21 side to contest the National Under-21 tournament up in Auckland this Friday, and Anissa Greenlees, who's in the Wellington Under-21 team as well. So congratulations. For local news, I'm Brent Gare.